Is JavaScript really dying? Is it time to bid farewell to this once popular programming language? These questions have been floating around in the coding world, causing a stir among enthusiasts and professionals alike. JavaScript, a language that once dominated the web development scene, now finds itself in a battle for relevance. Other languages like Python and Ruby have gained traction, offering features that compete with, and sometimes outshine, JavaScript's capabilities. Over the years, JavaScript has been the language of choice for many, powering countless websites and applications. Its flexibility, ease of use, and ubiquity have made it a staple in the programming community. But as the tech landscape evolves, so do the tools we use. More and more programmers are exploring other languages, creating an atmosphere of competition and innovation. But before we jump to conclusions, let's delve deeper into the world of programming languages. To understand the current status of JavaScript, we first need to compare it with other popular programming languages. Let's start with Python, a language known for its simplicity and readability. Python's syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it a favorite among beginners. However, when it comes to web development, JavaScript takes the lead. JavaScript is the language of the web, running natively in browsers, something Python can't boast of. Moving on to Java, a stalwart in the world of programming. Java is robust, versatile, and runs on multiple platforms. It's used in everything from enterprise applications to Android app development. However, Java might seem a bit daunting for beginners, with its verbose syntax and a steep learning curve. In contrast, JavaScript, with its simpler syntax and flexibility, is more approachable for those taking their first steps into coding. Next we have C++, a powerhouse known for its performance and control over system resources. C++ is a go-to language for system programming, game development, and other performance-critical applications. But C++ can be complex and unforgiving, especially for beginners. JavaScript, being a high-level language, abstracts many of the complexities away, making it easier to pick up and start coding right away. Let's not forget about community support. JavaScript, Python, Java, and C++ all have robust communities and extensive libraries, so you're never truly coding alone. If you're stuck, there's likely a solution or a helpful hand available online. So, where does this leave JavaScript? Well, it's a versatile language that's easy to learn, excels in web development, and has a strong community. It may not have the raw power of C++ or the enterprise versatility of Java, but it does a lot of things really well. Also, with the rise of Node.js, JavaScript can now run on the server side, broadening its use cases. As we can see, each language has its own strengths and weaknesses. So, is JavaScript really on its way out? Now that we've compared JavaScript with other languages, let's examine the current state of JavaScript. In the ever-evolving world of programming languages, JavaScript continues to be a key player. It's a dynamic language that has proven its mettle time and again, and it's still going strong. Let's look at some trends and statistics that illustrate JavaScript's current standing. According to the Stack Overflow Developer Survey of 2023, JavaScript is one of the most commonly used programming languages for the 8th year running. That's a testament to its enduring popularity and its capability to adapt to the rapidly changing landscape of technology. In the realm of web development, JavaScript is practically indispensable. It's the lifeblood of interactive and dynamic web pages. Whether it's client-side scripting, server-side scripting, or even game development, JavaScript has found its place in all these domains and more. The versatility of JavaScript is further enhanced by the plethora of libraries and frameworks available. Libraries like React and D3.js and frameworks such as Angular and Vue.js are all built on JavaScript. They offer streamlined, efficient ways to build complex applications, contributing to JavaScript's popularity. Moreover, JavaScript is continuously evolving. The language sees regular updates with the latest version ECMAScript 2023, introducing some exciting new features and improvements. These updates ensure that JavaScript stays relevant and keeps up with the ever-changing demands of the tech world. JavaScript's popularity isn't just confined to developers. Many big-name companies use JavaScript extensively in their tech stacks. Companies like Facebook, Google, and Netflix all rely on JavaScript for various aspects of their operations. In the world of open-source projects, JavaScript also reigns supreme. It is the most used language on GitHub, indicating its widespread popularity among the open-source community. Despite the growth of other languages and the occasional doomsday predictions, JavaScript is far from dying. It continues to evolve, adapt, and thrive in the face of competition and changing trends. Despite the competition, JavaScript still holds a strong position in the programming world. So, what does the future hold for JavaScript? As the digital world keeps expanding, web development becomes more crucial than ever. And right at the heart of it, you'll find JavaScript, a pivotal language that's been around for over 2 decades. Experts predict a bright future for JavaScript as it continues to evolve and adapt. Trends like progressive web apps and single-page applications are reshaping the way we interact with the web, and JavaScript is the leading language powering these innovations. Furthermore, JavaScript frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular are growing in popularity, enabling developers to build complex applications with ease. We're also seeing JavaScript extend beyond the browser, with technologies like Node.js bringing JavaScript to server-side programming. In the face of emerging languages and constant technological shifts, JavaScript has demonstrated a remarkable ability to stay relevant. While JavaScript may face stiff competition, it's far from dying. It continues to evolve and adapt, ensuring its relevance in the ever-changing tech landscape. So the big question remains, is JavaScript worth learning? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed in this video. Despite the emergence of other modern languages, JavaScript's relevance in the coding world can't be overstated. For starters, it's the backbone of web development, powering the interactive elements of virtually every website on the internet. Moreover, JavaScript's versatility is another compelling reason to learn it. With JavaScript, you can work on both the front end and back end of web development, making it a great option for full-stack developers. Furthermore, JavaScript's expansive ecosystem, including numerous libraries and frameworks, offers a wealth of tools to simplify and enhance your coding experience. With all these points in mind, it's clear that JavaScript continues to be a valuable skill for any coder. Remember, the best language to learn is often determined by your specific goals and projects. So whether JavaScript is dying or not, it certainly isn't dead yet.